So I get asked a lot, especially from people that don't live in Texas or don't own a pickup truck, if you actually end up using the truck, do you actually load up the bed and use the truck like it's meant to be used? Yeah, let me show you how we use it. For all the stuff that we loaded into this thing, it did phenomenal. It barely fits into the parking garages down in Austin. Clears it by about an inch. Fully loaded, this thing drives like a dream. You couldn't even tell that we had all the stuff that we had in it. Would I ever trade it in and get something smaller? I can't. I have two more that still have to go to college.